But this we don't do in our own homes.
No, we don't.
We may be served.
Yeah, but you go out.
Go and wash your own.
We'll
It's like
always go and wash your own
bartan
hands.
also.
Na?
Yeah.
Bartan also. No, what I'm saying is even traditional.
Yeah.
Haath dhona you go out.
Haath dhona you'd go
Yeah.
out. The rest may be as it is.
Only Chinese restaurant with Nimbu ka chilka, that's part of the
Finger bowl.
finger bowl.
Also in certain,
which is a-
also
which
in
is a
certain
concept
Muslim
which is-
cultures, the washing of hands
Yeah.
is done while you're
There.
sitting.
And it's
Yeah.
communitarian. You share a bowl around.
Yeah.
After.
अच्छा, not after.
Okay.
No, after also. I've shared. Yeah.
कश्मीर में होता है because when you're sitting together.
Can I have a little bit of
Especially where you share food also, na, centrally.
Yeah. And they have this
You
bowls,
eat off the same
Yeah, in
thali,
Kashmir,
the
yeah.
large thali, and you wash. And
Kashmir
then
is
there's a
you-
bowl that's passed
you sit
around.
in, you sleep, you eat on your bed sometimes.
In Kashmir.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm on your bed. I found that so, you know,
I know where you're
strange, you know.
Yeah.
eating
First
where you're
time-
sleeping.
Yeah. Just having everything on top, you know.
You're also from Kerala, right?
I grew up in Delhi.
But parents are
Originally,
Were you
this
Aryan-
question in
Aryan
Delhi is
guy?
really
Really
funny. Yeah?
stupid.
Yeah.
Where are you originally from?
Yeah.
आपका गांव कहाँ है?
हम तो गाँव कभी गए नहीं. यार पंजाबी दिल्ली में रहते थे यार पंजाबी.
I know.
I'm also Punjabi.
No, I'm. Interesting thing is, I grew up in Delhi. I've lived all my life here, but my father is half Tamil and half Sardar,
Okay.
and my mother is Bengali Muslim. So in my family, there's Sardar and there's Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and my sister-in-law is a Syrian Christian.
Wow.
So
See,
we
you be glad that Manmohan Desai never met you, because then तुम्हारी story film बन जाती.
be glad, sarcasm, yeah, be glad. I would have cried tears of blood. So yeah, so in that sense, food for me is, otherwise when you're saying this originally question, this everybody has this one food item or whatever when you're sick or what is
Which you
like
crave
which you
for.
crave for,
Yeah.
which can be like smoked pork with bamboo shoot or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But for me, it's as much having sambar as much as having aloo ka paratha, which is Punjabi, and Bengali, because I grew up with all the three cuisines equally. So I'm as Punjabi
Very,
and
very
Bengali
lucky, very
and very
But
food-wise,
strangely,
I
for
don't.
me, if I become ill and I want to eat something really great for something, it's not a Manipuri dish.
What is it?
It's a Tamil dish.
Oh, wow.
Because I grew up, I did all my
Padai
end of my
there.
schooling and parai there.
Okay.
And Tamil Nadu food is my like
So
my,
do you remember this
Oh my
nostalgia
God.
and all of that?
In fact, I get withdrawal symptoms
Yeah.
from sambar, rice.
Seriously?
or-
Dahi.
Seriously.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
I don't like dahi vada because that's not for me Tamil food. I like the regular dahi sadam.
Yeah.
And
Oh, there's meetha as well.
so I thought it's some sweet. This is what jaggery or what?
That's it.
Acha, this kind of patta is used where? Which part
I've
of the
seen it in
country?
Odisha.
Orissa, that one.
In Bengal also.
East mein, na?
In rural Bengal you find this.
Thank you.
Yeah, very commonly in Nabadep,
Yeah,
in Nadia district, they use this.
Because this is only in the south, so this I haven't. I mean, I've eaten off this. This is
But
jaggery.
kele ka patta is also in Bengal.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.
Kele ka patta is there in Bengal also. It's not only there.
Little bit. Yeah. So, what is this?
I'm fine.
That's a classic, right? I'm talking about the non-classic.
Where is it? In Odisha?
in Bengal. Would you like some curd with your
And ये क्या
jaggery?
पत्ता है? Jack?
I'm okay.
साग
Saal.
Saal ka.
दही के साथ हाँ, दही
Naan.
Quite nice. Lovely.
Good fun.
Good. Nice meat.
But for me, it's like it's raining there.
Oh, how nice.
We're sleeping, with our blankets
Wow.
in Imphal.
You should have told Vensi to have this.
Yeah, my
thing
pond is
there.
overflowing. I have a problem with overflow. All my fish is running out of the pond, so I had to stop them and all kinds of problems, which are unusual for Delhi.
For Delhi, yeah. In fact, Delhi here
Water shortage आ रहा है.
I was telling Vensi the main thing he should be talking about is water as a conflict thing, because everywhere it's like a
Yeah.
big thing, because between colonies and between neighbors there is a conflict
We
in
had
terms of water.
a short, about 2 or 3 weeks span of there's
Where are you from?
severe water shortage in Nepal.
Kerala.
First time.
Acha.
I'm from Kerala and I grew up in
Delhi.
Delhi.
Attention.
No thanks. No good. And during that
My
3 weeks of
childhood.
water shortage,
Went to school,
Where-
college,
where
everything in
there was a
Madras.
huge
Where in
there were
Kerala?
fights
In,
between communities because some
Kerala,
people were drawing from the river and
Thrissur
people in the
district.
locality
In
were
Manipur?
objecting. Yeah,
Kodungalur.
Yeah.
objecting. There were fights between the water tanker crew and the local villagers.
No, here where I'm staying now in Ayanagar, every day there is some crisis or the other about water. Yeah.
Ayanagar.
That's because it was unauthorized for so long.
No.
Huh?
No, but you know what they're doing? Is that the panchayat has
I
been
know.
given freedom to do whatever with the water.
And they divert.
No, they take out the water from the ground. That obviously, if you don't plan it, it's
Yeah.
Going to
by
run
summer,
It's
it's
going to, the
gone
water
down.
table is going to go.
So those guys are having an intense
No,
conversation.
plus I scored some pickle from that other table.
Let's tell each other the stories about our ingredients. And then we can have
See, the reason, I mean, I was telling her, the reason I got onion was that I was telling Nancy that, instead of thinking about exotic things,
yeah.
my thing was that every year we have this crisis. Winter, the prices will go up, and sometime after that, the prices suddenly go down.
And we've had one government that fell on the basis of onion prices.
And the logic is that growing food is becoming very expensive for the farmer.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the consumer thinks that it's way too expensive to buy.
Yeah.
So that for me is like a major conflict for people living in the cities because we are far removed from that process of growing food, and we have no clue about what
What goes into
it and
what
what
kind
you're-
of support prices farmers get, etc. Yeah.
And what was your reason for getting that?
Prawns, because शहर में prawns are so expensive, and my mother is from Murshidabad, and there these छोटा prawns are actually जो खेत में काम करते हैं, they eat that because it grows in the water between the paddy,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
the small tiny ones, and you catch it and then you dry it, and it's really
So it's poor man's
subsistence. It's
food,
really
yeah.
poor man's food.
Okay,
If you're a
okay.
respectable person, you're not going to eat it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I found it fascinating how prawn in the city is this expensive, uber luxurious thing, but actually
It's very normal
it's completely normal and it's completely
armed food.
एकदम आम.
In places where it grows. Yeah.
It grows, and then it grows in ways where you're not growing
it's
it.
farmed, yeah.
Where you're actually farming rice, and the water which collects in it, you sort of get.
Of course, what's happening to prawn also is like in places like Kerala is that prawn farming has become such an lucrative business,
Yeah.
that the people who actually work, I mean, you don't get it to eat in your homes
Yeah.
at
But you
the same
export it.
price,
Yeah.
because it's all
Exported.
So that's another
Crazy,
thing that's
yeah.
setting in for
because of
all
its
such problems.
value.
Yeah.
Because
The
of
value addition is huge.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I remember when I was small, and people still do it. Our grandmothers used to keep earthen pots, big pots,
Yeah.
where we used to keep dried prawn,
Yeah.
Yeah.
dried fish.
Yeah.
It used to be stored in these pots,
Yeah.
and it was available throughout the year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Northeast,
Especially
the
in
fish
summer.
markets are
Yeah.
beautiful, huh? Dried.
You've been to
Like
Imphal?
crazy, yeah. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Next time you have to
Wow.
drop in.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Have
All
more
the chotu things.
And Indu, you come sometimes.
In fact, I've been to Imphal, but some years ago. I mean, I'd love to come again, but this is part of the National Book Trust runs this publishing course, and they make it a point once a year to hold these courses in, not
Yeah.
non-metropolitan settings, as it were. So Manipur was
One of those.
was one of those. So
When
this
was
must have been
this?
6-7 years ago. So when I got onto the course faculty, I told them I will choose the place I want to go to. I'm not going to go to all your places. So I chose, in fact, a belt of the northeast because places I hadn't seen myself.
But did it
After
have?
that-
Do you think people started publishing after that? Did you?
I mean, well, the course was an interesting one. I met a lot of young people who were already doing things, trying to do things, etc. But the problem with that system of going
That
out
curriculum.
there, there's no feedback. No.
That's the
Because
problem.
nobody has a. So in fact, I tried to impress upon MBT that unless you have a kind of feedback system, or you go back
You to do a
to the
blog
same
or something.
communities. Yeah.
Because everybody is on blog and this and that. Even
ये
in the
नेशनल
northeast.
बुक ट्रस्ट को
समझाना.
हिलाना कोई आसान काम नहीं है बट एटलीस्ट they were trying to do this, so that was why.
So back to what you got?
My tamarind. I brought tamarind because, partly because, I've grown up. I mean, tamarind is an essential ingredient, as you know, especially in the south, both in Tamil Nadu and in Kerala. And this particular, in Kerala, it's really it's grown in homes, meaning you just take it. And it's linked to a story which is quite bittersweet in terms of my childhood memories of going back to my Taravad in Kerala. My aunt,
May I record this?
sure. My aunt, my father's eldest sister, used to run the house. It was a feudal house run by a patriarch, my grandfather. He had 2 daughters and 1 son. Both the daughters got married and lived in the same house. And so my aunt used to run this kitchen, and the women in the household would make a little dish, a preparation like a chutney with tamarind, roasted mirchi, red
Dried
dried mirchi, and onion and mirchi roasted, and tamarind like this, just kind of crushed with the hand in a little bit of oil. And it was
Okay.
called Puli Molagum Chalichada in Malayalam because he knows Malayalam, right?
Puli is of course this.
Puli is this, Molaga is
Mirchi.
chili.
Yeah.
And Chalichada is actually that action of, you do it with your hand, you have to do, and my aunt's hand was very special because, you know, if she didn't do it with her fingers, it wouldn't taste the same. And we used to, and all the men were served food first, and then the women folk would, there's a separate part of the house which becomes the kitchen and the dining space, and where the women would eat. We would go running, you know, wait for when they were eating to get hold of this. And you eat it with hot rice, it's the tastiest, I mean, it's a taste that I can never forget. Much later, when I grew up and became more aware of what this meant, I realized it's a way of denying women of the house of the goodies. You see? Because all
So
the
the
fish,
women weren't served this.
no,
thing.
they used to eat their rice with this,
This.
which is easily accessible,
Okay.
whereas all the men would be
Have all
served
the
All the
the
major protein
the
stuff.
major protein
Oh
stuff.
my
all the
God.
fish and the meat and
You know, so in terms of it's a bittersweet memory
which
for that
community are we
reason,
talking
because
about?
it's a very sweet, sorry?
Which community are we talking about?
Nayars.
The Nayars.
Yeah. Which is, I mean, there's so much hoopla about
Yeah.
matrilineal
Yeah,
and all this
yeah,
nonsense.
yeah,
But the status of women in Kerala is probably more pathetic in many other, given their development standards. I won't say it's worse than, you know, relative to their development indicators, participation in the workforce, property
You'd expect,
inheritance
yeah.
rights, you'd expect
much more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And women don't eat with the men in the house, even now in traditional homes. They will eat after the men have been served, like we were served
Yeah.
here. And so that's why the tamarind for me is both a childhood memory, which is lovely because I think it's the tastiest food I ever ate. And it took me to grow up to realize that it was built, that dish was built on the basis of an inequality which nobody complained about. But it was there.
It was there. It was
It was a tradition.
Yeah.
They made do with this. Let's
No,
put
but
it that
I
way.
think you must write about that. This is something that, I mean, now I remember the separate serving part in my dad's home.
Are you also Nayar?
Yeah.
Nair, yeah.
I see.
So,
From the other side, the gender thing divide. We had the goodies, no?
so
No,
my-
we grew up in Delhi. See, like my son.
So
did.
whenever we would go back
Vacation.
for vacation, my grandmother would make all these things, but they would always eat,
Eat later.
You know,
Yeah.
and
So there was segregation of a very strange
very
kind.
strange because every other indicators, like she said, Kerala was doing well, but this segregation was still there. Now it may be going away in nuclear families, but traditional houses
Households, yeah.
is still the
And
same.
it's going away in nuclear families which are no longer joint families.
Yeah.
You see, the old original Taravad was a feudal joint family setup, and there were portions of the house which were not accessible by
Accessible
women,
by
accessed by women.
Wow.
You know,
This is taboo
you know
kind of
what
thing.
we would call the living room.
Yeah.
What is called Padinyapuram
Yeah.
in traditional terms.
Yeah, my
which
grandmother
is-
wouldn't come there.
No woman would come to that. It's meant only for the men of the house. And these are Taravads which are women-headed households
Yeah.
in terms of property rights. Because I have a property right in my mother's property, my brother doesn't.
Yeah.
So despite the matrilineal system of inheritance,
You still have.
in terms of social structure, it was a very exploitative
Typical
system.
But I would look at it also from a different way, that the men were segregated by the women. And
Yeah, you
put
could-
away in these front rooms for show.
No.
All
Men
these
would come and
social-
demand
They
whatever
would
they
come in the
wanted. They
kitchen,
can
but the
come.
kitchen is controlled by the women.
That of course. That's
All the
true
labor is
everywhere,
done by
yeah.
women.
You know,
Most
no,
places.
not
So
only
now have as
done,
much control as you-
not only done, controlled.
But अब मैं भी जा रही हूँ.
उनकी कहानी तो हमने सुनी नहीं.
Interesting, very interesting. But I will look at the other side. You know, very often the men are also showcased in a particular way, maybe perform a role,
story is quite different,
but the women control everything. You know,
Yeah.
and they are allowed to do certain things, and they're not allowed to do other things. It's the other way around. You know?
Whatever it is, I agree with you.
अरे तुम लोगों ने तो पूरा टाइम बात कर लिया, अब हम अपना खत्म कर रहे हैं ना असाइनमेंट देने का.
Have you seen this? Got the bell.
हमने बाकी बातें कर ली, खाने की बात नहीं करी.
Yeah, but everyone
called
got
Got the Bell.
He said, "Look, koई
Yeah.
He's just putting up a show.
Show off.
He just needs
हिंदी वालों के पास सिर्फ class और
he just needs to outdo Wednesdays. Let's get it right.
Then I want to write this book about Manipuri herbs and remember we talked about
Yes.
it a million years ago.
This was just show off to make us feel like onion person. Not an onion, and he was like poor thing crying in the corner.
One also got an onion. This is a great meet another.
You must.
When
You must
please say
join.
she is a great cook. Why this is a great cook?
Because women are objects.
There is a Manipuri group, all cooking freaks and eating freaks, and they have a collective joint
Facebook, are they there?
Facebook called Chakhum. Look up Chakhum. CHAKHUM.
I
Chakhum is
just went to
kitchen.
Shillong and got back stuff and had this big dinner where I invited Gutri and I made smoked pork. And
So when are you coming back to Manipur?
How long are you here in Delhi?
Come now.
Bobby, how long?
Give us
are you
something
here in
to
Delhi?
do.
Good, I will do.
Give us a project.
How long
I
were
will.
you here in Delhi?
In fact, what I'm going to do is come this side. As I've been following the MAPSA thing, okay? MAPSA mapping thing. Yeah. And I'm thinking of doing a similar thing to the Talk to Audrey. Let's do this, man. Let's do this.
Okay, that's great.
As soon as I saw this Audrey's thing, I said, we have to do it for the women's
There's the
market.
women's markets now in Manipur. Totally controlled by the women. It's superb. So we should do like this Mapsa.
please, I'll get some gender bender angle. Don't worry, I'll be the gender expert.
Yes,
You can
no?
be the,
Yeah, she has
you can be
Please
the
also
local
talk to
person.
Professor Sen.
I'm sorry.
Nobody will makes the project income. For the first project we ever did was with this guy. Acha, I'll come, you give me a
I
project.
think I'm going to do it. I'm going to propose this to the Manipur University and the Indira Gandhi National Tribal Union.
Okay, so we, she
Let
has
them-
no sense. No sense.
Oh,
Very
let's send out.
good.
Let's send
Yeah,
out.
yes,
Yes, now. Let's do it. And it makes sense also because it's a Lipi Kaithe.
Yeah, and it's a women's market.
It's a women's market. We don't want to sell.
Okay. And we'll reach there and throw you out.
Also.
We'll learn everything. And then, like you were saying, we will take.
But if it is possible, it would be very good to do something.